Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all. I am delighted that the Japan Exchange Group and Bursa Malaysia Derivatives are co-organizing today's webinar, which centers around commodity futures trading opportunities between Japan and Malaysia. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate JPX and Osaka Exchange on their recent announcements to launch the Nikkei 225 Micro Futures and Nikkei 225 Mini Options in May 2023. The introduction of mini and micro contracts is a strategic move to meet the increasing demand for smaller investment units in the cash equity market. And these product innovations will undoubtedly contribute towards the development of the Asian derivative markets. Ladies and gentlemen, Malaysia's agricultural commodity sector is largely supported by our palm oil industry, which accounted for 49% of the commodity sector GDP from January to September 2021. It is also a significant contributor to the Malaysian economy, making up about 3.2% of the nation's total GDP during the same period. For over 40 years, Bursa Derivatives has maintained its position as the global center for palm oil price discovery. We offer the most liquid and successful crude palm oil futures in the world, known as the FCPO. We ended 2021 on a high note with a record full-year trading volume of 15.6 million FCPO contracts, or equivalent to 390 million tons of crude palm oil. That is more than 5 times the global CPO production. The FCPO contract remains actively traded, recording a strong performance of 15.8 million contracts traded from September 2021 to August 2022. This is the highest ever trailing 12-month trading volume. Bursa Derivative continues to develop new products and services to strengthen our palm complex offerings and meet the hedging and trading needs of the edible oil players. We launched the East Malaysia Crude Palm Oil Futures, or better known as FIPO contract, in October 2021 to provide greater price transparency to the CPO market in the states of Sabah and Sarawak, which represent 46% of Malaysia's CPO production. Further logistical challenges for East Malaysian players were resolved by strategically establishing delivery ports in Sabah and Sarawak. In addition, the price transparency enabled by FIPO allows CPO producers to sell at a competitive price, while downstream players could better manage price fluctuations of their raw materials. This potentially improves their refining margins and competitiveness in selling their end products to customers. Meanwhile, the trading hours of FIPO has been aligned to the RBD palm oil futures contract in China's Dalian Commodity Exchange to offer arbitrage opportunities to the lauric oil traders worldwide. Within 11 months of launching FIPO, we achieved a total of 6,744 contracts, with the highest daily open interest of 208 lots on the 17th of June 2022. We also successfully completed FIPO physical deliveries of CPO at all 3 port tank installations located in Sabah and Sarawak. Our physical delivery of both FCPO and FEPO is integrated with the Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil, or MSPO, certification requirement, making them the world's first physically delivered commodity derivatives contract with a sustainable requirement mandated for delivery. These milestones demonstrate Bursa Derivative products' strong appeal to market participants as a risk management tool in a volatile market environment. This also testifies the confidence given by international investors in our derivatives market. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to the enhancements to our palm complex products, Bursa Derivatives recently launched the revamped gold futures contract on 19 September 2022 to provide investors with exposure to the international gold market. The revamped gold futures is a cash settled contract that is quoted in US dollar with settlement in ringgit Malaysia based on a fixed multiplier. As such, it will reduce any exposure to currency risk arising from exchange rate fluctuations between US dollar and ringgit Malaysia. This is a significant move to tailor the product to meet the needs of the local market. Bursa Derivative plans to extend our existing after hours or T+1 trading session to end at 2:30 a.m. instead of the current 11:30 p.m. by the fourth quarter of this year for some of our products. This enhancement will provide greater flexibility for hedgers to manage their price risk exposure based on real-time global developments in different time zones, which will particularly be useful when large market movements tend to occur during the opening of the US markets and the closing of the European market. Ladies and gentlemen, as a result of our product innovations and efforts in promoting ESG development, Bursa Malaysia Derivatives was named the Exchange of the Year for Commodities as well as Exchange of the Year Sustainability at the recent FOW Capital Market Awards 2022 held in Singapore. Moving forward, the exchange will continue to pursue prospects that will provide more options to investors and traders on Bursa derivatives in line with our mission to create opportunities and grow value. In closing, I would like to express our sincere thanks to all the esteemed speakers who made this webinar possible and to everyone who took the time to join us today. I am confident that the webinar will serve its intended purpose of connecting brokers and institutional investors in both markets so that everyone can learn more about each other exchanges' offerings and latest industry developments. With that, I wish everyone a productive webinar ahead. Thank you.